Flow of energy in an ecosystem. The sun is the ultimate source of energy, and this energy is required for the sustenance of ecosystem. In an ecosystem, food chain represents a stepwise transfer of energy contained in the food, and there are various steps in the transfer of energy. So here we can see that the sun is the ultimate source of energy, and this solar energy is converted by the plants or producers into chemical energy of the food, which then enters the food chain. So green plants in the terrestrial ecosystem capture about the 1% of energy from the sunlight that falls on their leaves and transform it into the chemical energy of the food by the process of photosynthesis. Now, when these plants are eaten by herbivores, that is the primary consumer, this chemical energy from the plant is being transferred to the primary consumer. And this energy transfer is not 100% efficient, so 90% of the energy would be lost as heat to the environment, or it might be utilized in other processes like digestion or for the growth of the plant, and only 10% of the energy would be transferred to the next trophic level, that is towards the primary consumers or the herbivores. A part of energy is utilized for growth and reproduction as well. So on an average, only 10% of the energy is left in the body of the plant to be transferred towards the next trophic level. As we have seen that only 10% of energy is available for the next trophic level, the amount of available energy goes on decreasing at each trophic level, and hence the food chain can consist 3 or 4 steps or maximum of the 5 trophic levels, because lots of energy is lost at each step and very little usable energy will be remaining after the 4 trophic level. Hence, when we plot this graph of the energy at each trophic level, since the energy goes on decreasing, this graph gives a pyramidal appearance and hence is known as the pyramid of energy.